Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the biggest health concerns of our time, sugar. Sugar is everywhere and it's hard to avoid. But did you know that excess sugar consumption is linked to a host of health problems including diabetes, heart disease and obesity? The good news is that there are plenty of healthier alternatives to sugar that you can use in your cooking and baking. In this video, I will share my top picks for sugar substitutes and show you how to use them. So let's get started. Option 1. Stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener that comes from the leaves of the stevia plant. It's much sweeter than sugar, so you only need a small amount to achieve the same level of sweetness. Stevia is also calorie free and has no effect on blood sugar level, makes it an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those watching their weight. Stevia is a zero-calorie plant-based sweetener with a zero glycemic index. It does have an aftertaste, so if you are fine with it, it's a great substitute for sugar. Option 2. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that's been used for centuries. It is packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, makes it a great choice for boosting your immune system. Honey is a natural sweetener and has a glycemic index of around 50 to 70 depending on the type of honey. It's sweeter than sugar, so you use less of it. Even though honey contains antioxidant and has some antibacterial properties, it is still a form of sugar and should be used in moderation. Option 3 is maple syrup. Maple syrup is another natural sweetener that's rich in antioxidants and minerals like zinc and manganese. It has a distinct flavor that goes well with certain foods like pancakes and waffles. You can also use it for oatmeal as well. Maple syrup has a relatively low glycemic index of around 54, which is similar to coconut sugar, which I'm going to talk about next. However, just like honey, it's still a form of sugar and should be used in moderation. Number 4 option is coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is made from the sap of the coconut palm tree. Its low glycemic index has minimal impact on blood sugar levels, makes it a great choice for people with diabetes. It has a glycemic index of around 54, which is lower than regular table sugar. Coconut sugar also has zinc, iron and potassium, which makes it a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Next up is dates. Dates are a whole foods that's naturally sweet and are packed with fibers, vitamins and minerals. They are excellent source of energy and can be used in baking as a natural sweetener in your smoothies or oatmeals. They are a great alternative to sugar because they don't create spikes in your blood sugar level, and it makes a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Dates have a glycemic index of around 42, which is considered low. They are also high in fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. You can dry roast dates and make a powder out of it in a blender and use it the same way you would use sugar in your recipes. Next up is Jaggery. Jaggery is a traditional sweetener that's made from sugarcane juice. It's commonly used in South Asian and African countries. It is made from boiling and reducing sugarcane juice or palm sap until it becomes a thick, dark brown paste that's then formed into blocks or cones. Compared to sugar, Jaggery is considered a better choice for a few reasons. First is that Jaggery has high vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium and potassium that are not present in refined sugar. It also contains antioxidants and has a lower glycemic index than sugar. That means it doesn't raise your sugar level suddenly. It's easier to digest due to its high level of sucrose, which makes it easier for your body to break it down. But Jaggery has a unique flavor and has a earthy like caramel kind of a taste, so some people may or may not like its sweetness. It has a glycemic index of around 50 to 84 depending on the type of Jaggery. So Jaggery contains some vitamins and minerals, but it is still a form of sugar and should only be consumed in moderation. It's high in calories and can still contribute to weight gain and other negative health concerns if you consume it in excess. So there you have it, my top picks for sugar substitutes. By using these natural sweeteners, you can reduce your sugar intake without sacrificing taste or texture. Remember, sugar is a major contributor to many health problems, so it's essential to make healthier choices whenever you can. Personally, I like to use fruits to curb my sugar cravings. Fruits are delicious and healthy way to satisfy my sweet tooth while also providing great health benefits. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more such health and wellness content, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.